Streamlining metadata workflows in Adobe Bridge and have a BMPR preset file. This stores reusable metadata templates for batch tagging. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Adobe Bridge metadata preset files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a BMPR file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. Users encounter BMPR files when they want to save or apply a consistent set of metadata like copyright, keywords, or ratings to multiple images or videos in Adobe Bridge. They search for this to understand how to create, share, or install these presets to streamline their professional workflow. The BMPR file is an XML-based text file. This human-readable format was chosen by Adobe to ensure easy editing, sharing, and cross-platform compatibility. It stores metadata fields and their corresponding values in a structured way, allowing Bridge to parse and apply them to various media files efficiently. Adobe Bridge from Adobe Systems Incorporated offers a certified solution for the BMPR file type. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot interpret symbolic or nested configuration structures fully, so careful editing is necessary. Your first step towards data access, right-click the BMPR file and select Open With. If Adobe Bridge is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. When a BMPR file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the BMPR file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, importing in Adobe Bridge. Open Adobe Bridge and access the metadata panel through Window, then Metadata. Use the panel menu and select Import Metadata Preset. Locate the BMPR file and Bridge adds it to your available presets. The preset becomes accessible in the Metadata application interface for applying to selected files. Next, applying presets. Select files in Adobe Bridge, then access the metadata panel and choose your imported preset. Bridge applies the preset metadata to all selected files, writing IPTC and XMP metadata directly into image files. This batch operation streamlines copyright tagging and descriptive metadata across photo collections. Finally, editing as XML. Open the BMPR file in a text editor since the format uses XML. View metadata field definitions and modify default values directly. Save changes and re-import into Bridge to apply the updated preset. This approach enables bulk preset modifications faster than editing through Bridge's interface. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.